What is up, guys? This is Chris with Leveling Up Your Finances. And if you could do me a favor, if you're listening to this on a phone, can you go down to the comments and tell me how the audio is? Apparently, the past couple of videos, the audio quality has not been the greatest on phones, but it's fine on a computer. I don't know why. But let's just jump into it. We have to start with the new Terra 2.0 launch that started on Saturday the 28th, and it is now Monday the 30th, and it's been a failure apparently. So here's the CoinDesk's little meme, I guess. Terra's new Luna tokens crashed almost as soon as it launched. NASA. So it's pretty good. Let's get down to it. So obviously Bitcoin's still in the red. It's been in the red for about 9 weeks now, and it's the longest it's ever done that in trading history, going all the way back to 2010. So a lot of people are scared about that. Don't worry, Bitcoin will be fine. Hopefully. Yeah, let's just say Bitcoin's gonna be fine. In May, Bitcoin has descended to about 29,400 from 37,600. If it's able to break through the 30K, it may make a run. Okay, well, let's get to Luna because that's the important thing. Bitcoin's no longer important, even though it's the stable coin. Well, you know what I mean. All right, prices crash. Price crash. Mars, Terra's, Luna 2.0, I don't even whatever. What was billed by a badly bruised Terra project as a revival looked more like a redo over the weekend as new Luna tokens were issued and promptly plunged in value. Shocker, right? Like, is anyone shocked by this? Block 1 of the brand new Terra blockchain with whatever has officially been launched at 6 a.m. on the 28th. Congratulations to the lunatic community on this expeditious feat of collaboration. But of course, then it just plummeted back down. Let's see. Predicted out of blah, blah, blah. The older coin will still... Okay, so the older coin, if you don't know yet, the older tokens are going to be converted to Luna Classic, and they're going to be under ticker LUNE C. And it's around 7 million, which is down from 40 billion. So, sorry, not 7 million, 700 million, which is down from 40 billion. So, just fewer than two months ago. So, not a big drop, but it's huge. I still feel bad for everyone that lost money. This was an interesting one. All right. It was like top 3. I think it made it to the top 3, and now it's like 2,500 or something. I don't even know. I lost like $40, I think, on Luna, just because before I knew what happened, I put $50 in just to go for the bounce and the hype, just for fun. And then, of course, it just kept falling. Maybe someday they'll resurrect. I don't know. It is not entirely clear what the Luna C tokens will be used for, though. See, I don't even know what my tokens are good for. I have like a few million or something, or a few 100,000. I don't even know what I have. I haven't looked at it. The new Luna token initially traded on the 28th around $17, but then tumbled soon afterwards. By late Sunday, we're changing hands around $5.28, according to the website CoinGecko. Okay, so I believe right now it is actually higher because I checked it earlier. So it's 11:10 at the time of filming. About an hour or 2 hours ago, it was down to like 6 something still. So it has been pumping up a little bit. Where's the chart? Why isn't the chart showing? Here we go. So it has been pumping up a little bit. You can see it. There we go. I don't know. We'll see what happens later. Still down. All right. And then, of course, for Wall Street vets, bought my first Lambo. Thanks, Luna. It's not even like a Hot Wheels. This one's got to be. It's plastic parts. All right, so that's that one. All right, let's where are we at? All right, so CNBC also had to put it out, so I'm just going to cover them. Nobody trusts CNBC for anything anyways, but we'll just go over their thing and see if they have anything else to say that's different than CoinDesk, which is a way more reliable news source. The lunar cryptocurrency has been resurrected after its $40 billion collapse. It's already crashing. Again, shocker. Terra has launched a new version of its failed Luna cryptocurrency, which plunged to zero this month. At its height, the old Luna, now known as Luna Classic, had a circulating supply of over 400 billion. The revived Luna token is already traded on exchange, but its price is crashing. Oh, here we go. No, this is, I don't know. What? Luna CM, what is that? I don't even know. Is that it? I guess that's it. I don't know. It looks like it's up. It is up, apparently. At the time of filming this. I better go check. Maybe my $50 is worth $54. A new version of the Collapse Luna cryptocurrency is already live and on major exchanges and has gotten off to a bad start. Last week, supporters of the Terra blockchain project voted to revive Luna, but not Terra USD or UST. You guys know that? So-called stablecoin that plunged below its intended peg to the dollar, causing panic in the crypto market. I don't know why. I like UST. Is what known as an algorithmic stablecoin. This is for people that don't know what's going on. It relied on code and sister token Luna to maintain its $1 value. But as the digital currency prices fell, investors fled the stablecoin, sending USD tumbling and taking down Luna. Again, so that everyone already kind of knows what's happened. They redid Terra 2.0. It launched, and the launch has not gone well. Apparently, it did get up to 1953 on Saturday, and then dropped down to 439. That's its lowest, I guess. And basically, that's it. So you guys tell me, comment down below, are you going to be buying any of the new Terra 2.0 or the new Luna? I might. Maybe. I'm not saying do it, obviously. Definitely don't, because this is not good for your finances. This is a horrible idea. But I might buy another 50 and just let it ride for no reason, because $50 is, that's a good dinner, I guess. Nah, I'm just going to go to dinner instead. I'm not going to buy it. No way. All right, guys, at the end of the day, remember to stay awesome and keep loving each other. Mwah.